Birdwatch has been quite some time, but as you can see, there's now 3 birds. The baby's out. Yes, it's been so long. Last time, the baby had just hatched out of the egg, and now look at it, it's almost all full grown. It's out of the nest that's right over there. Yeah, it's been so long. How are you guys doing? Proud Mama and Papa? Night, buddy. Oh, you're being loud. Hi, buddy. How you doing? He's looking right at me. Yeah, hi. Hi. Yep, the baby's almost full grown. Not that much longer left. And parents have been good. There were 3 eggs originally, but 2 of them sadly didn't make it. So we got this little one. Alright, well guys, Birdwatch day whatever this is, signing off.